Ever since UPI came into our lives, it has made transactions easier than ever. Now you can also use it at an ATM near you to withdraw cash. Watch further to know how. Approach the UPI ATM and select the desired amount you wish to withdraw. Once the amount is selected, a unique QR code will be displayed on the ATM screen. Open your UPI app on your mobile phone and scan the QR code displayed on the ATM screen. Enter your UPI PIN on your mobile phone to authorize the transaction. Once the transaction is authorized, the UPI ATM will dispense the requested amount in cash. Now you know how to use UPI at an ATM. Experience the future of cash withdrawals with UPI and enjoy a secure and convenient banking experience. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank's YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.